Hey guys, it's Tam and I'm back. In this video I'm going to be swatching this watercolor palette that I got. I never use watercolor. I'm an acrylic girl, but you know, I want to expand my skills and try something new. So I heard a lot of good things about this watercolor palette, so I had to give it a try. It has a lot of colors, so I could be using it for a long time. So I'm just showing you the name here and all the colors. I never seen anybody show the color information card, so I wanted to add that in there. So yeah, I'm just holding it up so I can see the names and the numbers, because it's not in English, so just wanted to see, you know. So it's time to open it and see what this palette has to offer. I like that they put the little clear seal on top. It's just a little helpful. I'm going to start from the red colors first. As you can see, I'm trying the first red color. I dipped it with water. I'm just like showing you guys a little bit there. And you know, let's get to swatching. So I'm swatching it for the first time, seeing the colors, and you know, as expected, watercolor, the first time you swatch it, they usually look a little lighter in tone depending on how much water you put. So I'm just experiencing that for the first time there. And now I'm trying the second tone, and it's a deepish reddish. I really like that color. I love the pinkish reds. So I love that this palette has so much different red tones in it, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try to use it as much as I can. And this red looked like a pinkish red. And lastly, I'm gonna swatch this dark color red. And yeah, and if my swatches aren't what you guys are used to, bear with me, because it's like the first swatch I ever did in my life, so you know, trial and error. But I really, so far in the video, like, I was really liking the way they turned out. The colors look really vibrant. I believe I paid like about $30 for this set, so it is really, I think it's a great starter watercolor set, because you get a lot out of your money. That's why I didn't want to buy something that was really crazy high in price when I don't know how much I would like it, you know. So yeah, I'm just trying all the colors out, and this color that I'm trying right now I think is really cool. Looks like a pale, it could kind of, and of course they provide you with many green tones, and this light green tone is very beautiful that I'm seeing right now. Nice for, you know, background scenery, green tones, you know, bushes, trees. I want to try to do some of those as well, because I want to do some cards in the future, like, you know, cute little cards or stickers. This is so exciting. So maybe a sticker set with just trees, and that would be cute, or whatever. Now we get into the more bluish tones, and that bluish green mixture, I love that color. And light blues, skies. Who doesn't love? I know a whole bunch of people love painting skies, and I'm one of those people. Painting with this watercolor was different for me. It's just a real different feeling. Like, you know, watercolor flows way differently than acrylics, and it's really something I'm not used to, but I want to get used to it. But starting off, it was a little frustrating, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you have to, the colors were very vibrant in this set, and I had a great time using them. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, because I enjoyed swatching them for the first time and seeing how they flow and the colors and everything. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. I love you guys. I'll be back with another one real soon.